Hello everyone. Am I audible? Show yourself if you all can hear me. Thumbs with a great. I will just yes, thumbs up with a smile because we believe that when you will be happy, your work will be happy, right? So it's very important that your lovely smile you should have when we start the work. And today we are again going to reuse something absolutely waste for making nameplate, interesting nameplate of your house. Normally, a nameplate is something which we display in front of our home, and it is able to create the first impression on anyone who is visiting your place. So it should be very creative. And what ways using some waste material you can create a lovely this kind of masterpiece? Let's learn it. Okay. So chalo, with a big smile, let's get started with beautiful nameplate today. So here on my screen, you can see a few things kept. And what else you can use? I will give the idea of that also. And what waste things you can use. So say this is a box. It is a box of puja samagri, and this is a bright orange color. See, I will show its cover also. Normally, sweet boxes, sweet boxes, and many times for many other kind of boxes, we get this kind of box. So this we use for making my today's nameplate. Okay. Else, what we can use? See, this kind of thick cover. This is cover of book, notebook, and a cover page. So it is quite thick. We can use this. If you have this kind of disposable cap, the base of your cake, this kind of base you can use. This kind of plate, thick plate you can use. If you have any of this kind of cap, then in this case, the nameplate will be rectangular. And if you have this is a cake base, है ना? You can use that also. And if you have this kind of cardboard pieces, normally when you purchase shirt or bed sheets, you find this kind of rectangular pieces. These all could be used for making our nameplate. I selected this box. This kind of boxes we keep getting in packings, in sweets. When we purchase sweet, this kind of box we get. So today, let's use it for making a beautiful nameplate. Okay? So chalo, without delay, let's get started. So here, the very first thing is selection. Now I want to check that what you have today for creating your work. Acha, at the place of like today, I'm going to use this. But if you have pebbles, many times we have creative pebbles. You can use that. And if you have any of the many times the ponds, that container of ponds cream, and ole, this all could be used for making lovely birds. But I didn't mention that all because you all would not be having the same material. So that's why we are going to create it with clay. But yes, of course, this kind of dibbies you can use. All of you show what stuff you have. I want to check. Yes, very good. So according to the size available, you are going to use it. Okay. So yes, very good. Now see, you can either use it alone, like this. And if you feel that you want to make it more strong, then give support of this. So it will become more strong, and in front of your home, it will look amazing. And this was like paper which was spread here. You can even turn it. This texture is also looking great. And if you remove everything, even this texture is so beautiful now. So, but I'm going to use this orange color as its front. And those who are not having any paper, they will use color for completing the painting. And for this kind of stuff, for plastic, many of you are using plastic disposable cap. And this kind of cap you are using. So on this, you will have to put color first. And for that, you will have to use acrylic color. And how will you use? You will not use any water. With cotton, you will start doing. I will show how you can do that. Okay. Chalo, so then what we will do, we will keep it on one side for drying, and then we will start with our clay work. And as we are talking about home, so we are going to make a cute family of birds. You can write, suppose my name is Nina. So at the place of writing bundles, I can write bundles. I can write Lina's nest. I can write a home, sweet home, or welcome. Anything you can write. Okay. So this is amazing thing which you can even gift to someone. And like holidays are coming and your bua and your mossy ji, they all would be visiting your place or you will visit Nani's place. You can make many of this kind. and you can even gift. It's amazing thing to gift also. Okay, so chalo, without delay, let's get started. So what we will do, like here, I'm going to do its pasting. I have this beautiful, colorful paper. I will do it. But those who are not having it, what ways they will color, this also I will show you. Okay? So if you have any disposable, how to color that, we will learn this. So first, I will finish this part. I'll take Fevicol and I will show with colors also. Those who are having, and that's why we don't mention the thing which I have available and is difficult for others to manage with. So I always try to keep the material. See, I have this colorful paper, so exactly in center, I will love to paste it. Okay, and we'll keep some weight. And now I will teach if you have plastic container, plastic cap, or that is not colored, what you will do? You will simply take your container or plate, whatever, and suppose I want to paint it. Hai na? So I will take my color and I will take cotton. Don't use any kind of water. Hai na? And with cotton, with tap, tap, tap technique, you will color the whole surface. I will show that also. So those who are not having colorful paper, they will be using this for coloring the complete work. Okay, chalo, I will show you. So you can use any light color for background and a yellow, orange, sky blue, this kind of color you can take. I will show you how to color it. Yes. So this is a piece of cotton and I will take out little of color and then I will start with tap, 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 tap technique and will finish it. Yellow. Okay, so you will use this color and color selection is going to be completely yours. You can select any of your color. I have a beautiful gray color also. So we will love to use gray also. Gray is also a lovely color and it will turn up very well on paper. So let's use gray. It's a gray color. What I will do, I will simply put color. This is acrylic color. Okay, don't use any other kind of color. And you will take dry cotton. Don't take water. And then go for tap, 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 tap technique. If you feel that with moving this ways, you're finding nice surface, you can even go this ways. Come on, so do this. And this is the way you will complete your base. And I'm using gray, but you can try orange, yellow, red. This is just to show because actually I'm going to use this surface. Okay, so this is the way you will color the whole plate using gray color. Okay, yeah. I will take more gray. And if you feel you want to go for tap tap technique is this kind of technique. Tap tap. So you will find a texture. And if you feel you two colors you want to mix, yellow and orange, you can. You want to go with red, you can. You know, try to select a color on which other colors will turn up well. So you can either go with tap tap technique or you can move it straight. And many times on plastic surface, when you move your color straight, it is not turning up well. So tap tap technique is of great help. And avoid using water. And without use of water, you will be doing it. This is a paper plate. That's why the color is spreading this way. But on plastic surface, tap tap technique is more successful. Okay, so this is the way you will complete your surface nicely. And any color you can take. I'm showing you with gray, but you can take any color and go for a smooth and neat surface. Okay, now here I want to show like these birds are sitting on a branch. So you can even take real branch. You know, you can take when you do cutting in your garden, you know, you can take real branch also. But that also I didn't mention in my material list because many of you would not be having the same kind of branch. You know, we will create it with clay, but here after learning with clay, if you want to make many more of this kind, you can simply think that if you have this kind of any cutting, many times you know, on roadside, in your garden, in your society garden, you know, trimming of plant is happening. So you can pick up few branches from there and you can use that. Okay? So this ways you can color the base. Come on, do this. And now we will move ahead. Finish this much. I will wait for a little time so that they can finish. So I'm going to use this. I simply wanted to show that how to color the surface you have. I showed this, but I will be using this. So here I have beautiful color already available. So if you have any cutting of wedding card, or any beautiful card which is having some leaves or something of this kind, textured, many times gift packing in that you get lovely of this kind. So you can definitely take it. You will wash your hands after this when you're using cotton. So you will go and wash your hands. Clean your hands, otherwise, you will find the next step quite challenging. Okay, and again, like see, last class, when we learn a planter, we learn owl planter. And even today, like I'm going to select a fab owl family, but in a very different way. And in a very different way, we will be selecting. Owl is considered a wise bird, and that's why people love to display it in this kind of creative and beautiful art pieces. So that's why one owl family, you can either go this ways if you feel that you will find enough space, or this ways. It's completely your choice what ways you want to make it. Okay? So chalo, let's get started. Ready? Are you ready? Yeah? Yes. So color it. And after coloring your base, you will keep it on one side. Keep it on one side. And then we will start with our making part. Okay. We will learn how to make it with clay. Acha, if you don't want to purchase clay from market, you can create your own clay with material available at home. And this video is available on my YouTube channel. Okay. So you can see this video and you can make your clay yourself. Okay, and if you are painting the surface, like many of you are using CD, if you have waste CDs, you can use them also. And if many times some thick surface, old photo frames. There are many photo frames which are very old, many there are many beautiful art pieces, wall pieces which are out of use now. So you can reuse them, repurpose them, and make them, convert them in welcome message, or you can convert it in a nameplate. Okay, some beautiful welcome messages also can be made using this kind of surfaces, and you can display in front of your home. Okay, your entrance should be very decorative and beautiful. So let's learn how you can use this kind of stuff for that. Okay. Come on, with lots of patience, finish this, whatever you have, okay? And think about making many more of this kind, and start gifting handmade gifts. Acha, I'm planning to teach you a soft toy without needle and thread. Yes, it's a surprise, huh? And you will be able to use waist, t-shirt, and you don't need to use even thread or needle. You will be surprised. Yes, my dears. beautiful soft toys can be made, dolls can be made. Now girls of your age, they wanted to have a great collection. You will be long back when we were of your age, the dolls used to be made of with cloths and wood. They were so eco-friendly. Today, like those are completely replaced with plastic dolls. Somewhere they are challenging the environment. So let's switch back again to those lovely dolls, and you will be surprised for that. Your talent of stitching is not needed because we will not even touch needle and thread. Okay, so yes, our upcoming sessions are going to be of this kind. Okay, so that you can make your own toys, and that's also without needle and thread. Even a carry bag also we will learn with waist t-shirt, again without needle and thread. A smart bag could be created, and again using only and only waste material. So are you ready? Your coloring part is done. Shall I wait for a little more time? Okay, okay. I will wait. I'll wait. Okay. Finish it patiently. And last class, my story was incomplete. I will give a quick recap of it and I will continue my story. And as we were so much into preparation that our story was left incomplete. So this is the story of owls. As again, we are going to learn a cute owl family and how clay could be used for making a lovely owl. This is going to be the great learning of today's class. And at our home, we normally see that our toothbrushes, after a particular time, we replace them. And again, those plastic toothbrushes are reaching to oceans and harming aquatic life. But you will be surprised to know those discarded toothbrushes can be used as plant accessories, and which are quite expensive in market. So we will please, if you have any this kind of discarded toothbrush, please start collecting because we will be learning lovely plant accessory using that. Okay, so which you can decorate in your plant, and this ways we will repurpose and reuse waste toothbrush. And many times your brush pens are also like out of order, not of use. So you feel like what to do with it. These are again amazing things how you can make lovely craft using it. And we will try to cover up all this kind of things so that you can start observing beauty all around. Okay. So chalo now. Shall we start? Yes. Show your thumbs up if you all are ready. So see here, I'm going to use my uh, box this ways. And here backside you can put any of the string and to hang it. You can even place it in the corner on the wall. Now the very first thing is going to be your branch, and for that we will take black and brown. Now here, I'm using these colors, but you can actually use a branch. If you have a piece of branch, from your cutting of garden, you can pick it up and you can go for it. So it's this brown I kept carefully last class. Show me your object, how your object is looking. Now, if you colored it, you keep it on one side for getting dry. And now let's come back to our work. So I took brown and little of black I will open. Black and brown we will mix. Okay. Chalo, so let's learn mixing. So little of black and little of brown. So what will happen? We will find little darker tone. Okay? Yeah. So I will give you a rough idea. In center, I'm going to make a branch. Here I will show family. You can make mama, papa, or you can make even a baby also. Okay? And then we will add some leaves, some flowers, and you can either write with clay or you can simply write with calligraphy pen or your bold sketch pen or marker pen. Home, sweet home, welcome, and a good vibes only. See, you this way is when you keep mixing, you will find this kind of textured, see, lovely texture, somewhere black, somewhere white. And this textured clay will make the branch looking more beautiful. Yes, now we are going to get started with our branch. Okay, so come on, let's get started. And if you have any real branch, any cutting or this kind of thing has happened at your home, in your society, now after making this, now you will start observing beauty in that uh, branches which are falling down, or the cutting is, if cutting is happening. So the very first thing, we will blend, blacken this, and we will create a branch. On this we are going to create a texture, and we will create little texture. So this kind of tools you must have got, so this kind of tools we will use for adding the texture. Yes, okay, come on, do this. And now what we will do, I will do one thing. I will remove all things, and I will simply keep paper so that you can see how we are moving ahead. Okay. So mix this clay this ways. And now let's switch on to our next part. Okay. We will switch on to next part, and that is going to be, Acha, your name and nest, my name, nest also you can write. So here I will be making a branch. So what I will do, I will remove all the things from here. Okay. And the only thing which you can see is this paper. So according to little more black is needed. I will take little more black and I will mix it in brown. Okay. Mix it nicely in brown. And after mixing it nicely, you are going to make a branch, and this branch will come from here to here. Try to make it almost in center, and almost in center we will be making. So mix it nicely, and after mixing you will find this kind of uh, and start making roll. If we will start making a roll out of it, so this ways I will simply press and will try to make a ribbon, and a ribbon kind of object, because I don't want. And you will keep observing, okay, yeah, this is of the same length, we need to see this also. And now the tools which you have, using that you will make the texture. You will press it little bit, and you can make texture. See this kind of lines, if you will make now, it will look great. And if you feel like to make a branch, and a branch is coming from here, you give a cut. Give a cut from this side. So what will happen? This branch will come. Give a shape accordingly. It will look more beautiful. Hai na? Yeah. So yes, now what I will do, I will simply, you can do even one thing. You can keep the branch here only, because it is having sticky power also. That will get stick here. And yes, wow, it's looking great. And when you will press now, it will get stuck to the surface. And for safer side, many times when it get dry, it simply start coming out. So for safer side, you can put little Fevicol, and on that you fix your branch. So my Fevicol is very strong. I will simply put some Fevicol. So it will not let this branch move somewhere else. Okay. Yeah. And this is the way I made a branch. This is going to be a first object. Here you can actually take a real piece of branch. And this a small cutting of branch you can keep. And believe me, that will look more authentic and beautiful. And this ways you will be able to save it. At place of, like I'm going to make two, a complete family. So if you have this kind of bottles, like this, these are color bottles, these are discarded, you can use them. If you have pebbles, you can use them. If you have this kind of uh, like bottles, you can use them. But as you would not be having this kind of bottles, so I did not mention. And even this kind of caps you have, you can use them also for making birds. But today we will be learning birds with help of. clay only, because we all don't have the same material available. And then what happened? Lots of confusion has been created. It's not like necessary that the material which I have available, you also would be having. So that's why we keep very common material so that you all would be having it. And see, all of you see, this plastic will go in eco break. Don't throw it here and there. This will go in eco break. Otherwise, it will keep challenging our environment. Okay? Yes. And after this, we will learn the method of making beautiful owls. Okay, one cute owl family we will be making. And as they symbolize wisdom, and as we want to display this on entrance, so we want wisdom to welcome, है ना? So that's why we will put something which symbolize the same. Okay, come on. Show your branch. Can I see how it is going on? And as we make black and brown, the textured look we find, and which is really enhancing the beauty. Okay, so whatever you have available, many times old crockery is discarded, and a plate, steel plates, they get cracked somewhere. You can easily use all this stuff for making such lovely, amazing things. And even treasure tree. Treasure tree also I will try to cover up. If you have pista shells, many times there are many objects and elements we are so emotionally connected with it, like Rakhi and our earring. We don't want to throw it, but we can't even wear because some stones are not there. So using that all, we can create a beautiful treasure tree. It's very trendy, it's very stylish, and that could be created using all this kind of stuff. Old coins you have, so many things you have, but you don't know where to use. Old buttons you have, all together very nicely and wisely we can use. Old jewelry you can put here and make a treasure tree. So in my few sessions, upcoming sessions, I will definitely try to cover up this also. Very good. So I can see you all did it excellently. Now let's move on to our beautiful, yes. So what you will do now, you will start with the work. So for this, you will keep it on one side and you're going to take your clay. So chalo, let's take our white clay. White is already open, so let's use it. And this wrapper, it will go where? It will go in eco brick. Okay. You will not throw it here and there. It will go in eco brick. That container, you will fill it nicely, and afterwards that eco brick will use for making tables. And the method of that I already covered up. This kind of plastic bottle, and all plastic, even a small bit of it will go inside. Okay, keep collecting. Now this white we have, and we are going to nicely mix it. Okay, nicely mix and create a beautiful shape. Okay. And we have many beautiful other colors also. Like here you can see we have this beautiful skin color is also there. And we have lovely yellow color available. This is also a lovely color. Right? Yes. So what you are going to do, you will simply make a ball. Try to make a round ball. And yes, some clay are a little challenging. Some are very soft to mix. And you will make this kind of small chapati. Okay, come on. This kind of structure you will make. And make sure the sides will not be very... Okay, I will open another color also. And this is a beautiful pink color. We can even try this pink color for showing it. Okay, so see, I will make all this plastic will go in our eco brick. Okay, and you will fill it compact, very tight. So what will happen? Your bottle will get converted in a eco brick. And this way, your small steps are going to bring a big change to our environment. So I will make a ball out of it. I will show how. Okay, after making a ball, hello. Mhm. Okay, so here you will mix it, and now you are going to make this kind of chapati. You can even keep it on surface, and you can press it all around. And as I told you, other objects, the pebbles you can use, bottles you can use, and that Pond's like cream pot that is exactly of the shape of owl. You can use it. So come on, make it. So it is going to be Papa or Mama. We will use different colors. Yes. Come on, do this. So I will make it like this and nicely press it, and yes. Okay. Hopefully this view will help you understanding it. And you need to see this also, that do we have enough space upper side? And okay, yeah, this we have enough space. If you want to make simply mom and dad, you can even go for that. Now what you will do, you will, after making this, we will give a fold. But before that, we need to create a pattern. And for this pattern, you have different kind of tools available. So this kind of tool you have now, the spoon kind of, you will start making mark in center very carefully. This kind of pattern, which will somewhere look like the pattern or fur we have on body of owl. Come on, use this. If you have any other tool which can give you this kind of pattern, you can. And you're going to make this in middle, because here the body part will come. Okay, try to make this kind of pattern. Yes. And next time you can even try handmade clay. For adding color, you can, while making, you can mix little color and it will look like handmade clay. So come on, make this. Now you can see little corner I left, and in middle portion I add this kind of pattern. Okay. And using this circle we are going to make. So for mama, papa, so we will use the colors which will turn up very beautifully. And this is going to be baby. We will make it baby. Because it's very little of the clay we have. So I will make its side smooth. As we opened this clay last class, na, so it is having less. Yes, I will simply make patterns here also. Okay, done, everyone? Yeah. Okay, okay, I do this. I will continue my story. So last class, our story was left incomplete. I will give a quick recap. So what happened in our story? In our story, one new king of the jungle wanted to hand over responsibility to everyone. But here, complete jungle and all the people of jungle, they told that rabbit and donkey, they are of no use. They are useless creature of the jungle. Okay, by this time when you are doing this, I would like to show the artworks of our regular classes. I will show few artworks of our junior batch. है ना? Junior batch in which we have students of 7 years to 10 years old. And these are artworks. This is Friendship Day special drawing we covered up. And in junior batch, this is Krishna and Sudama's drawing. And this is Raksha Bandhan special. You will see in our regular classes, we are trying to cover up. This we cover up on Independence Day. Because creative letter writing is also part. Acha, pencil shading is also part of a junior batch. These all are artworks of junior. These are finger painting, painting with finger. Okay, we cover anatomy. Ganesh Chaturthi special artwork this is. Here you can see Ganesha is talking with cute little mouse. These artworks will give you idea, because this is Hindi Day special artwork. Because poster making, Hindi Day poster making happen in all schools, and students don't know how to cover up and then how to use text wall for that. Okay, and see, this is a World Tourism Day. On that day, we covered up this artwork. This is and these few artworks and cartoon character. Who is he? Any guesses? Yes, you all know Shin Chan with a story. And this is Maya Yashoda and Kanha. We did pasting of cotton to show butter. And this is mermaid underwater world with colorful hair. And this is Diwali. These all are artworks of our junior batch, 7 years onwards. Okay. So these are few artworks which will help you understand because moms were asking, please show some artworks. Okay. Now what you will do? You will fold it. Come on. You will fold here. You will fold here. You will not completely cover up. Come on, fold here, fold here. And we are learning the body of it. So both the side, it will be equal. And then you are going to fold the upper portion. You will be folding the upper portion also. Now here you can either and simply show the pinch. And to show ears, you will pinch here. Now another, see, this is going to be the shape. Okay, this is going to be the shape. And you will simply fold it and you will pinch it on both the side to show ears. So it will become curved. And this kind of shape you will find for making owl. Now here for making eyes, you can use your brush pen or you can use your googly eyes also. Googly eyes again, we did mention in material list. So if you have, otherwise you can even paint it. And you can put white and on that you can put black and your eye will be ready. Okay, it's that simple. White, and on this if you will put black dot with this, so your googly eyes will be ready. Okay, so it's not like you should have googly eye. That's why we didn't mention in material list, because we can definitely prepare, and less the material, comfortable the parents are. Otherwise children, they panic a lot and moms have to rush. But I have googly eyes, so I will put. Otherwise, you will simply put a dot on these white dots and you can go for it. And here I will. And this baby I will show. And simply will finish this phase. Okay? Yeah. You can show like baby hidden around. So I will simply keep it here and will focus on my next part. So this clay was little dry, but we will try to see that at the place of simply discarded, we will try to use it somewhere. Okay, so this is our basic structure. You can either make eyes this way, but before making eyes, one more thing we will do, and that is nose. And for that, what you need to do, you will come on, do this first. I will show you. I think little closer view will help you understanding it better. Okay, we cover up primary level, like pre-junior batch is for beginners, and in that, like students, those who don't even know how to hold color, and they all are in our pre-junior batch. And I will try to show few artworks of pre-junior batch also, so that you can understand that what kind of stuff we are teaching. Yes, you are going to make a V. Okay, you will be making a V, and if you feel that you want to make it using with this kind of knife, you can make it. Okay, and you're going to make eyes either using googly eyes or your this eyes, and these eyes also could be used for this. Okay, so any of this you can use, and we can even pinch it little for making it little more beautiful. Or we can do one thing, we can take red and we can put a beak 3D. Another small triangular shape we will make with red, and using it we can make a small beak That will turn up beautifully, I think. So a small triangular shape you will make it flat, and somewhere put it 3D. Okay, and the beak is not very long, so make sure you will be making it which will completely support its look. Okay, yeah. So this red for making it, eyes, we will be making eyes. So let's complete eyes also. We will simply put 2 points and we will make big eyes, either the ways I showed you or using googly eyes. Okay, so I have these googly eyes available. I will prefer using it. Okay. Yes. So what happened when king wanted, like asked that why we cannot, and see this kind of something you will find, and when you will keep it here, है ना? You can see this is going to be Papa bird. And then we will make mama, and then you can make even baby. So baby bird is this, and we can simply overlap. Like if you want to overlap, you can. And chalo. So now let's complete mama. And for making mama, what we will do? We will take one another color, and let's take blue. We can go for blue. We can go for any other color. We have so many beautiful colors. We have lovely skin color also. We can go for it. Yellow, already we have background with yellow color, so we will avoid it. Baby pink is again a lovely color. We can go with it. Okay. So chalo, without delay, let's get started. Even at this lovely orange. I will pick up this lovely baby pink color for making mama. Okay. But yes, of course, if you will go for blue, so there will be lots of color variation. So we can even go for blue also. So let's open our blue and complete. And now if you feel that you want to may add a few things on this, you want to add some patterns, you want to add few little color over, so you can even do that. For that you can take your brush pen and you can simply put some color over. So if you feel that you want to do orange here or any other color, you can definitely try that. Simply with brush pen, very easily you will be able to do it. With brush pen, color it, okay? And it will make your wings looking more colorful. And at the place of using another clay, this will be the simple method. Don't use acrylic color. Brush pen will give you nice and amazing look of this kind. Okay, so let's put blue color nicely and finish this part. Okay, come on, do this. Okay, yes, I will make mama, and for mama I'm taking blue color. Okay, so I will take blue, and using blue I will make mama, and mama we will make comparatively smaller. Okay, chalo, let's complete it. So finally, all suggested that don't give any of the responsibility to uh, donkey and rabbit. They were telling donkey can do nothing except like keep shouting. The sound is very loud, and rabbit can do nothing except running fast here and there and disturbing others. But this new king wanted to give some responsibility, and he decided to take suggestion of owl, the most wise bird of the jungle. See, I will take blue, and using this blue, using the same method, we will make owl. So again, one kind of revision we will be taking. So come on, make a ball. See, this clay is very good. Right? Immediately it is giving shape. So some clay are little challenging to use. Some are very soft and comfortable to use. So you can do this. Okay. And little small in size you can keep. Afterwards, we know what is our next step. You know now. Our next step is making pattern this ways. Okay. So you can either make this ways or you can make this ways. So I will simply use this tool and I will make this kind of pattern all around and you will finish it nicely. Okay, this is the way. Even for making fish also, you can use this. And then you will fold and you will fold in the way that the straight and a straight figure you will find. And when you will fold, you are going to fold it from upper side. Holding it this way, you will fold it upper side. And when you will hold upper side, the corners, you will give a pinch to show ears. And the moment you will pinch ears, the shape will go this way. Red beak. We all know the method of making it. And a beak we are going to keep red, or if you want to paint it. And if you don't want to put it with clay, you simply want to paint it, you can even do that also. You can even paint it. Okay, see. And here I will show that if you don't want to use those, how you can use these white balls also for making. And both, like those who are not having those googly eyes, they can even use it for making. And if you feel that you can add some detailing here, keeping a circle, you will take your brush pen and with this you will add a beautiful detailing. Okay. See, so I made eyes little interesting by keeping a white dot and with marker pen or sketch pen or brush pen, very carefully, you will finish mama. Okay. And if you feel like to show eyelashes, you can. Okay. And again, beautiful patterns will really enhance the beauty. So I will love to add some beautiful patterns for mama. Okay, so some patterns you can also try, or if you feel like to add some color, you can. It's completely your choice. I will prefer yellow here. So with brush pen, you will find amazing and beautiful output this ways. Okay, little of yellow I applied. Here, if you feel like to add some other color, no, you can. Okay? Yes, come on, do this. And if you feel that you want to add some patterns also on it, you can definitely add some patterns. And for making eye, if you don't want to do pasting of anything, you can simply use your pen or your acrylic color and you can add some patterns. Okay? So this is our mama bird ready. Mama, you sit here. Yes. So papa, mama, and baby you can make sitting in front, in center. You can show baby in center. Okay, so this ways we will be able to complete it nicely. Come on. Okay, now you can see my family is looking so cute. And for babies, we will simply make this kind of balls and three cute babies. One is newly born, and yes, and while doing this, I will return. And for this, I told you, any of the object which is looking of this kind, you can use. It could be a cap and a round cap we have. They are also 3D. So you can simply paint. Now I'm going to teach you how to paint and make it one owl. So if you have caps, and suppose this is a cap of this. So you can use it at place of this and you can paint it like owl. So what will happen? You will be able to reuse it. For bigger owl, you can use this kind of cap. Please try to see creativity all around because this is time to wake up and take charge. I think the family is going to be very big, but let's make it. And 3 babies. Home, sweet home. So these are babies, and we don't have that much space, but still. So one cute baby we can show sitting here in front, and one here near mama, and one you can show here. 2 babies we can show here in front. Okay. So now let's learn cute babies, how to paint it. Okay. And we are going to use, uh, I will simply give it little oval shape, little flat to make it, press it little bit. And this clay was little dry and I was not able to give shape. And in beginning, you were able to see that I was not able to give shape. So I will use it now this ways. And I try to see that what ways you can reuse things. At the place of simply discarding, try to see how to reuse. And this plastic will go in my eco brick. Okay, not even a bit of plastic will go here and there. And toothbrushes, please keep it carefully. We will learn something amazing. Plant accessories out of it. Now, using some color, we will make lovely babies. So, here, what you can do, you can simply take green color, red color. You can take red color also. And what you can do, see, what you will do, you will simply make a C. Okay. And even for making face, you're going to make 3. So this is going to be the feather and color it red. Color it red. And here, if you like, this is white, and if you feel that you want to make eyes also, so you can leave white, 2 white circles for making eyes, and remaining space you will color red. Now here we will not go for fold and all. When you're using pebbles for making it or caps for making it, you simply make this kind of pattern. Okay, so I want to show like it is partially side posture. And see, here like eyes I left white because the figure is white. So very nicely you can give black outline. And you can make a circle inside. And see, beautiful eye will be ready. And same ways using different colors. And here also you will be making this kind of C. If you want to make some dots overhead, you can make some dots overhead. And beat you will be making a V. If you want to fill C, all of you see. So what we did, I will show you in another one. Okay. Yes. I will go a little slow for while showing second one. Okay. See, this is the other one. I will show it slowly, and this one is going to be pink. Or it. Let's use some other color. We can go for brown. No. We can go for green. No. Orange is the background. So let's take sky blue only. See, what you will do first a C, and then 3. This is going to be the shape. Okay. C and 3. And if you are using a cap or a pebble, you will be using this way. And in the 3 which you write now, there you are going to make 2 circles. Because the owls of it is looking like 8. It seems as if I write 8. You know? And now leaving this circle white, you will fill the complete space with the color which you selected. I want to keep the babies white, and painting on white is quite easy. So you will not face any of the difficulty. Blue. This baby is going to be blue with this. Okay, so you will find this kind of eyes. And now the only thing you will do, you will give the shape of eyes and you will write a small V. You will use your thin sketch pen, brush pen you try to avoid. And for one bird, you can show eyes closed. है ना? Here you can simply give lines, or you can simply make lines if you want to make different kind of patterns, or dot also you can make. And this blue bird is ready, which will be sitting here, or which could sit here with pink. It will look great. And this cute little baby, I want to show with orange. See, three big eyes, eight. Three you convert in eight. Fill it orange. Simple. We will not make even feathers both the side. And if you want to fill color in beak, you can put little of this color. If you want to make eyes closed, you can make eyes closed also, but I think open eyes will definitely give better look. And can you see? Eyes. Beautifully, very carefully you will do this, okay, dears? Because little hurry will spoil your work. So when the most experienced bird, that is owl, was called, even pista shells, if you want to make very tiny, tiny, cute babies, pista shell, if you are, suppose you are using a CD, on CD you are making, even a shell of peanuts, and that is also having a beautiful shape. So these two babies, either we can make them sit here, okay, and one baby here, or we can show three babies here. This way is also we can show. I think one baby, if we will make here, will look better, and one here. I think this is better. So see, this is a family, a very big family. Yes. And some leaves and flowers are left. Let's make quickly. Some leaves we will make, and then we will write home. Like here, you can write with calligraphy, or if you want to write using the roll of it, and you can make a smooth roll, and you can write home, welcome, anything you want. And as I told you, there are so many options. Once you know what you can use, you will start observing creativity all around. Even thermocol pieces, when we purchase some electronic appliances, thermocol pieces come. You can simply cut pieces, and with sandpaper, you can give it shape, and you can use them for making this kind of things. So there are so many beautiful options could be used for making it. Okay. And any of ribbon or any of thread you have, I have this lovely thread which I can put for hanging, so that we can hang it. So this thread I have, so I will be using this. And if you want to keep it in the corner, like somewhere near plants or somewhere, it will look very good. And you will see once it is completed, it will look unbelievable. Like very easily, it will add on to the beauty. Let's make some leaves, and for that we will open our green color, and we will add some leaves. Now, if you feel that you don't have that much time, the leaves you can even paint. And it's not like everything you should draw. Few you can paint, few you can do. So we will make few leaves, not too many. So I will take a few of it. I will make balls and two, three leaves here and there, and some flowers, and it will be done. And you can write home, sweet home, or bundles, or whatever, anything you can write. So you will simply make ball. Okay, so this, when I will come back to my story, see, you will make like this and give a pinch on both the side. And if you feel that you want to add a detailing, you can add a line. More detailing, you can add diagonal lines also. It's completely your choice what ways you want to make. And you will be pasting it here. As this is having pasting power, or for safer side, as I told you, you can use a drop of Fevicol and you can finish it. So here two kinds of owls we made, and see, bus. Too many leaves are not needed. These are enough. And for safer side, I will prefer doing its pasting. on Fevicol. So that what will happen? Many times after drying, like it leave its place, the better to put a Fevicol. And if you feel that you want to make a bunch of flower also, so you can make bunch of flowers also. And yes, drawing is about to get over. And here you can write with calligraphy, I know, bandles or something. And if you feel that you want to, actually here, if you feel that you want to make some flowers also, so yes, you can make some flowers. For making flowers, you can take any of the color. Okay, you will make a ribbon and you will make a roll. Ribbon and roll, ribbon and roll, and you will find flowers ready. See, you will make it, you will make a ribbon. Ribbon is like this, you know, and then you will roll. So when you will roll now, you will find this kind of small, tiny spiral shape. And using it, you can make lovely flowers. Okay? Yeah. So a ribbon, roll, and if you have some artificial flowers, many times when we discard, and a dry flowers when you get bouquets, and these are days of bouquets. So dry flowers you can definitely use for this purpose. And if you feel that you want to add some flowers also somewhere, you can add flowers also. Okay? You can add few flowers in bunches, they are available. Okay? This is the way you will finish your one more leaf is needed, I think. So one more leaf we will add and our work will be done. Okay? This is all about our today's work. Okay? And now, last but not the least, home. You can write home. You can, and one more thing you can do for writing, you can simply make, you can take ice cream stick also, or you can take simply this kind of clay. You will make a roll, make this kind of nameplate, and some random shape. If you want to add some texture or you want to mix, suppose you want to mix pink with this, you can. And you on this, you can write home or Lena's nest. Okay, Lena's nest. Yeah, welcome, good vibes only, whatever. So home, sweet home. So I will love to write Lena's nest. Okay? Or home. Chalo, simply write home. And I will write it over and I will simply do its pasting as it is. And my with brush pen, you will find it easy to write. Capital bold letters, cursive, but make sure it should be neat. Okay? Home. And this is my nameplate ready with some more flowers and some more leaves. See, with few efforts. Now here, how can you use some other things? See, you can use some artificial leaves if you have available. If you have some dry leaves, you can use it. It will save your time of preparing flowers and all. You know, you will be able to reuse them. And dry stick you can use for making branch. You can use actually a stick of real branch. So this ways, when you will use this kind of things, you will be able to somewhere. Yes. So see, this is the way. Some green more leaves if you want. And home. Welcome home, or whatever you want to write, you can. You can keep it slightly here. You can place it here. And you can grow some grass or a few things if you want. Or you can simply, okay. If you feel that you want to put some stones or you want to show some grass or something else, you can. If you feel that you want to show a river here, you can. What not? What anything you feel you want to show. So I will simply show a river, because that space is blank. I will take blue color I will simply make a stripe. I will add some white acrylic marker color and I will make a river in front. Okay. If you want to show a bird is sitting here, you can. And your lovely drawing is ready. Okay. And I will put little of, and here you can keep it here to understand that what is the length actually. And I will simply press it. I will make some lines with white acrylic markers, or you can even blend, like we use branch now. That ways you can blend two colors and you can show a river also. Yeah. I will very carefully open it into pieces and we'll put it here to hide that part which we have below. Okay, I will keep it this way so that even I can see. And this ways, in pieces you can pick up, or you can do one thing, you can pick it up from here. This is nice clay, so immediately it gets pasted. You can make it here and then you can give the final touch on paper. Okay, this also you can do. And a river kind of look you will make by adding some white lines. And then your home, sweet home, will be pasted here. If you want to write, if you want to use, like you can take a paper on that, you can paste ice cream sticks, and you can do that. If you feel like to make some background, you want to add some backgrounds, you can. And anything you feel that you should go with, you can try that. Okay. And if you feel that some with some dark color, I want to add kind of polka dots backside, you can even try that. So some polka dots, if you feel that with brown, just to give that wooden look, you can. And this is all about our today's work. Soft color you can put just to add a texture, soft texture. Okay, very soft. Don't use dark colors, otherwise your spelling will get merged and it will look as if what we did. So finally, I will complete my story because last class also I was not able to complete. So Owl suggested that you can make him messenger, rabbit messenger, because he is able to run fast, and you can use the talent of donkey for announcement. So King liked this idea very much, and finally they were appointed, and they actually saved from enemy. Like the message to to army rabbit was able to run fast. So once when some enemies they attacked, so immediately he went and warned the army, and donkey started doing announcement. This way they saved the complete kingdom and they were rewarded. So all realized that we can't estimate, we can't judge anyone. We all are different, but we all are very talented. We all have different kind of skills. And this is our nameplate ready. But one hanging is needed so that you can put, and by the time like it is not completely dry, and if you have a punching machine, so you can even get some punch flowers and leaves and you can use them. Whatever you have, you can use it. Okay. So now I will request moms to be with us so that we can have your feedback and your view about our class also. After last but not the least, you will take a thread and you will make one hanging to hang it outside. Okay. So come on, take this and simply make a loop out of it and do its pasting. You will make a loop of it and do its pasting backside with lots of Fevicol, which can bear its weight, and it will be ready to hang. Okay. So if your old things also you can reuse. So this is our today's work, and I will request all of you to be with us so that we can talk. I will request my team to spotlight um, them so that we can talk one after another with all of them and have their feedback. So my team, please do the needful. Yes. Spotlight some moms. I will show, by the time I will show some artworks of pre-junior batch also. As pre-junior batch, we have beginners, so our drawings are easy, completely based on shapes and all. We give practice session also. To see this drawing we covered up on Christmas, Santa Claus giving gifts, and modes of transport. This is part of their syllabus. So we try to cover up different modes of transport. This is ship in that. It is abstract art, my garden. And for pre-junior batch, we try to cover up different flower anatomy also. So this is hibiscus flower using circle, and animals also we try to cover up. This is cute animal. It is clearly visible using circle and one and V for making grass. We completed. So this kind of artworks are part of our syllabus in pre-junior batch. Okay, so here we are very right from pre-junior batch. We are giving them a training of complete artwork, like what elements make your artwork complete and eye-catching. I will request my team member to unmute them so that we can talk. I'm not able to see from here, but you can manage it with blue and finish it. Yeah. So, Kanika, please spotlight them so that we can talk. Yes. I will request Chehek, Ayansh. Yes, please try to unmute yourself and give us your feedback.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Hello, ma'am.
How are you, ma'am?
Hello, how are you, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, fine.
Ma'am, please do share your feedback. How was the class? Did she?
Yes, ma'am. बहुत ही अच्छी मैम. Today she made this.
वाह, बहुत अच्छा बना है. हर बार ये बहुत अच्छा बनाते हैं, है ना? We made owl, but we can make snail, caterpillars, anything. है ना? बहुत अच्छा बना है. Very good,
आज
चेहर.
तो उसके पास
बहुत.
में मटेरियल भी नहीं था, तो उसने अरेंज कर करके
हाँ, लेकिन ये बहुत अच्छा बना है. बहुत नीट और रिफाइंड है.
बाय ऑन कॉटन.
अच्छा. अच्छा. नहीं नहीं, very good, very good, Chair. Please do share it on WhatsApp, okay? Yes. I will request Ranjana Mahajan, ma'am. Please unmute, and then we will come on Raghavi. Then we will switch on to Raghavi. Please stay with us, my dear. Hello, Ranjana, ma'am. Please try to unmute yourself. Ma'am, आप अपने आप को unmute कीजिए. Please try to unmute yourself. Raghavi, it is beautiful, lovely. With pink background, it has turned up so well. We will turn up to you also after Ranjana ma'am. Okay? Yeah. Hello, Ranjana ma'am. How are you?
फाइन. आप बोलो, आप कैसे हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ. आप कैसे हैं मैम? आपने बहुत सुंदर बनाया है, और आप मानेंगे नहीं कि जो आपने बैकग्राउंड में गत्ते का नेचुरल कलर यूज किया है ना, उस बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है. वो ऑथेंटिक लुक ऐड कर रहा है. मैम, आप प्लीज अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताइए. आपको कैसी लगी क्लास?
अच्छी लगी. कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा नया.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. और ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि यानी हर एज के लोग हमसे जुड़ते हैं और कुछ सीखते हैं. सीखने की कोई उम्र नहीं होती. और मुझे लगता है मैम, आप जैसे लोग इंस्पिरेशन हैं और भी लोगों के लिए जो इस एज में आ गए हैं, क्योंकि सीखने की एक्चुअली कोई उम्र नहीं है.
और टाइम का अच्छा उपयोग हो रहा. टाइम का.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम. थैंक यू. बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आपको क्लास पसंद आया और आपने बहुत अच्छा बनाया. थैंक यू सो मच मैम फॉर बीइंग विद अस. और अब हम आते हैं राघवी. राघवी, प्लीज ट्राई टू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. Raghavi, your beautiful smile is reflecting in your work. Beautiful. Yes, please do share your experience.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello, good evening. How are you, ma'am? Hello.
Hello, how are you, ma'am?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. Ma'am, Raghavi, enjoy joining this class a lot. Ragvi does all the classes, and every time she waits for your class to start.
Yeah, that smile, I can see that joyful smile, and she did wonderfully. And that baby pink color which she applied in background is really enhancing the beauty. Very good, Raghavi. Amazing work. Okay. And this turn up so lively because of that joy you have in your heart. Great. Now you can make many more of this kind and you can give it to as gift also. And now after learning one, you will start observing creativity that your plate, ceramic plate, and many times crockery we discard. You can reuse for making lovely this kind of name plates, and actually you can gift it to others also. Wonderful work. Thank you. And do share your experience also. Please do share the experience also, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am, sure.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. We will turn up to Kinaya. Kinaya with beautiful, lovely work. Please unmute yourself, ma'am.
Hello,
yes.
can you
Hello.
hear us? Yeah.
Yes.
Good
Hello,
evening,
ma'am. How are
It
you?
was good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you
It's
so
a
much, ma'am.
It's our first experience with you, like the first class, and
Wow.
she really enjoyed it.
And it is so beautifully, it turned up so beautifully, cute little like figures, and lovely it is. Very
Yeah,
eye-catching.
she's just 5 years old and she tried it.
Arre. हाँ बेटा, yes.
craft today.
Okay, I'm so happy to know. And you know what? That joy is reflecting in work. Believe me, Kinaya, this is a masterpiece in your hands. Wonderful. And here we write connected with home, but you can actually write any other message also. And a good morning, happy birthday. Suppose you
What
want
did
to
you
give.
write?
Happy home.
Arre वाह. Great work. Please do share your work and your
Sure.
experience also.
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
so
Yes,
much, ma'am.
sure.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Arya, we will switch on to Arya. Yes.
Yes, good afternoon.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thank you so much, ma'am. Arya, show your work.
Spoke. Yes, ma'am. She is completing just 2 hours she had made just now.
Wow. But she's going slow, but it's okay. But it's very neat and beautiful work.
Yes,
It turned up so well.
she had completed with you a junior batch and now enrolled for a senior batch also.
Okay. Yes, I know she share the artwork on regular basis and I give feedback also.
Yes, and she has won gift from you also, ma'am. During yes, RGO competition.
Arre वाह. Ma'am, what is your experience like throughout, like since long you're with us? So please do.
She is liking the drawings and art and craft activity a lot. And I got your artgeo.com from social media. And from that, I have done one trial class. And from last 2 years, my daughter is doing your class very sincerely. But one complaint for her, ma'am, she is not doing practice. I told her to do a practice repeatedly, but she is not doing. So I want to मतलब मुझे आप कि उसको आप थोड़ा समझाइए कि उसको प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल आर्या, प्रैक्टिस के बिना तो बेटा हमारी ग्रोथ रुक जाएगी. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज सी एवरी क्लास वी आर लर्निंग न्यू ना. तो इफ यू विल नॉट प्रैक्टिस यू विल कीप लर्निंग न्यू बट एट द सेम टाइम द ओल्ड थिंग्स विल गेट फेडेड. तो हमारी ग्रोथ नहीं होगी, है ना. अगर हम इस चीज में मास्टरी चाहते हैं तो हमारी पुरानी चीजें भी ना छूटे और हम नई चीजें भी सीखें. और इसके लिए प्रैक्टिस से एक डीप अंडरस्टैंडिंग मिलती है. और इसीलिए बेटा हम पहले रिकॉर्डिंग को 10 डेज के बाद रिलीज कर देते थे, पर हम लाइफ टाइम वैलिडिटी के साथ देते हैं. तो प्लीज
And also she has won the second prize between nearly 400 to 500 kids in a drawing competition in her school.
अरे वाह, क्या बात है. वेरी गुड. Wow, amazing.
I'm proud parent that she has joined your class and she is doing very great.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's proud to us also that we have such amazing students and parents like you. मैम एक चीज और पूछना चाह रही हूँ, जैसे आपने जब ज्वाइन की होगी तो डेफिनेटली डाउट आया होगा कि ऑनलाइन ये सीख भी पाएंगे कि नहीं सीख पाएंगे.
नहीं, एक्चुअली मैम कैसे हुआ, शी इज बोर्न ड्यूरिंग द मतलब शी हैज स्टार्टेड हर जर्नी ड्यूरिंग द कोरोना ओनली. मतलब LKG UKG शी हैज डन इन ऑनलाइन ओनली. So I have guaranteed that she will catch up the things very clearly.
अच्छा. Okay, you were quite assured. Okay.
Yes.
And what is your experience with Argio?
It's very nice, ma'am. My kid is learning all the techniques very clearly And as per my as per my feedback now, no one in my complete society, 126 flats are there, but no other kids knows that techniques. And one of my friend has also joined in pre-junior batch.
Acha, okay.
Yes.
Okay, so you find them, you like, you're satisfied with Arjo class.
Yes, surely, ma'am. I am very grateful that I have met you and my kid is learning with you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And it's our pleasure also that
Yes,
we are a family and we are learning from each other. Thank you so
yes.
much for your lovely
Thank you
feedback.
so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank
yes.
you. You did excellent work, Arya. Keep doing, and afterwards do share, okay? Yes, and do practice. It's very important for amazing artists like you, okay? Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Now I will switch on to Ayansh Naina. And then Riyansh, we will switch on to Riyansh, then Dipti Agrawal, then Urja Rajawat. Yes, so Urja, please stay with us. We can see your friends also sitting with you. So we will love to have feedback from you.
Mommy,
Yes, hello, Urja. How are you?
I'm fine, Nan.
Okay, and how was the class? You enjoyed?
Yeah, and see,
Arey wow, this is so cute. And your friends, tell your friends also to show the work.
my friends don't made it.
Okay, you did it alone? You like the class?
Yeah,
Now you're going to make many more of this kind to gift others?
yeah, I will give to Naya.
Okay. It's really a pleasure to have feedback from such young child and looking at this confidence, like, wow,
No,
very
Nani,
good. Yes, Urja?
on my wall.
Ituti?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Very well done, Urja. Please do share your artwork on WhatsApp, okay?
Okay, Nani.
Take care.
Click the photo.
Yeah, click
Nani.
photo.
Hmm.
Want to say anything else?
No, Nani.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Lots of blessings, lots of blessings. Okay, now we will switch on to Reyansh, and after that, Deepti Agrawal. Yes, please try to unmute yourself. Ayansh, Naina, try to unmute yourself. You all are spotlight.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello, how are you, ma'am?
This is Ayansh's mom.
Yes, ma'am.
We made it half for now, but
But it is so beautiful. It has turned up so well, and the multiple color stripes which you add now, believe me, it is enhancing the beauty.
thank you, ma'am.
Wonderful. Ma'am, please do share your experience about our class, like this kind of classes where we are trying to teach them reusing waste stuff. Your opinion, we do really want to know. Any suggestion if you have?
Actually, I really loved your class. I have attended 2 or 3, I think, demo classes before, but due to time mismatching, I was not able to join the class that time. So I enrolled my child 2 or 3 days ago in your pre-junior batch. But I really love the experience. My child is able to understand very easily the instructions which you share, and he is able to make it on his own. Only he
Wow.
just need few help from my side. Otherwise, he is able to make it. And I really enjoy your class, and the way you explain, and the story you share continuously. You are paying attention and see the work. Previously I thought like how it will be online experience, but when I joined your demo classes, so I really got confident, like he can learn from it. There is no difference. I think this is far better than or offline classes, because of wastage of time in traveling and all. So this is far better.
Oh, that's amazing, ma'am. I'm very happy to hear your experience and from such young child's mom. Ma'am, please do share your experience. It will give clarity to other moms also because today, due to heavy and hectic schedules, parents are looking for online platform, but they're confused. It happened since long we are learning offline, so your experience will definitely help them understand and will give them clarity. Please, ma'am, do share your experience and convey my blessings to Ayansh also.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank
It
you
was
so much.
really nice experience. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, Ayansh. You did so well. I like this. It is really wonderful and creative work. Very good. Thank you so much. Lots of blessings, Ayansh. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Riyansh. Now unmute yourself. Then we will come on Deepti Agrawal. Call your mom. I know your name is not Deepti.
Yeah.
Hello, Riyan. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. Ma'am, please do share your experience.
Definitely, ma'am. Actually, I was searching online classes. Like before this, he was joining. He joined that the offline classes, but due to some timing issues, we were not able to make it happen. So I was searching through the internet, and then I found your RGO classes. And trust me, it's a truly a very great experience for us. Like the story you tell us in each class, it's inspiring for us as well. And the very small thing like use the blunt pencil, use waste paper, waste branches, waste material, you can draw and create art and craft. Like he's learning a lot, and his drawing skills also improve. And he always look forward for the classes like, Mama, when I have a drawing class or art and craft class. It's not like no, he doesn't want to attend. He's always very much interested for your classes. So the pattern of teaching is very different and interesting, which makes kids to join your classes.
Wow, thank you so much, ma'am. And I'm more than happy to know that eagerly and joyfully students are attending.
Yes.
Because this is a field, like creativity is a field where if they will not do it joyfully, we won't be able to touch that inner creativity of them.
Exactly,
So I'm
yeah.
so happy that too young they are, but still very joyfully. It
Yeah.
shows there is hidden artist, a great hidden artist. And your artwork is looking great. I can see cute little family. And now you're going to make many more using different kind of bases, and you will gift. Okay, we can use it for greeting card as well.
Yeah.
And you can use this box. You can simply write happy birthday, happy teachers day, or anything, and you can gift. So, ma'am, it is lovely work. Please do share your experience as well and the art, this
Sure.
craft also. Very well done.
Sure.
Thank you
Thank
so much, and lovely work, Riyansh. Great work. Very good.
Thank you.
And now I will switch on to Deepti Agrawal. Please unmute yourself. Then we will come on Ishan. Ishan Thumake. And then Preeti Gumba. Yes, Ishan. Deepti Agrawal, please unmute
Yeah.
yourself. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hi, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm good. How are you?
Arre wah, kya baat. It's lovely.
Yeah, he enjoyed making it and he was like taking a little help from our side, but he did it most of the work himself. So
But
it was
great
a good
efforts,
experience.
so many things were supposed to be managed and great efforts, praiseworthy efforts. Very good. What's his name? Because I can see
Anay.
yeah.
Yeah, he's Anay Agrawal. What's
Anna,
the
you
name?
did excellent work. Very good.
Yeah, I have fun.
Okay, that's amazing. That's why you are able to create this masterpiece. Without joy, we can't prepare a work which is very lively and eye-catchy. And
Yeah.
if you're enjoying and sitting for such long time, it shows that you're blessed with amazing artist in you. Okay, great. Ma'am, please do share your experience also with Arjo classes.
Yeah, it was good. Like previously also I joined, I think last year, but then he was not able to talk and unmute himself. So
Yeah.
his interest was not getting there. So we then stopped it. But today after seeing that the actual interaction is going on, so I'm now thinking to join the class. So
Yes,
yeah, it
ma'am.
is a good experience
Yeah, see,
when you
ma'am,
talk.
let me make it clear, ma'am. This conversation is happening in this craft activity. In regular classes, it is not. But yes, we have a platform, like a phone number I share. This is my phone number where I review each and every artwork personally. This is my personal WhatsApp number. And see, when we keep them mute, and they simply listen, because what happened when they are able to unmute themselves. Earlier, we were giving this access. So the moment they unmute themselves, the complete camera switch on to them. If you will see our old videos, you will see lots of disturbance. And one class was taking countless classes to complete. to maintain the rhythm, we got suggestions from many parents. And finally, we decided that here on this platform, children will be sending and we will get connected directly one-to-one. With voice message, I share my suggestions and appreciation to children. So this way the classes are going on. And the experience which many parents shared and even I experienced, that slowly like they are more into listening. Somewhere this habit is disappearing somewhere, because everywhere we have this kind of interactive classes. So somewhere you will see focus and more focus on listening will improve. So let me make it clear, like in this kind of sessions only we are talking this ways, not in regular classes. So this is the difference. And you can even take the demo class if you want. Demo classes we are giving. It will help you understand that how much he is able to understand now, because now the age is increased, and after attending the class, whatever, our mental level also improve. So you can try that ways also. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Thank you so much. Work is really excellent. Very good, Ayash.
He want to say something. Do you want to say
yes.
something?
Yes, beta.
You can make lots of more artworks
Yes,
like this.
sure. For sure. We are going to have this kind of class every Sunday. Okay? So we will be using all waste material around us, and we will make this earth a beautiful planet to live in together. Right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, beta. You did excellent work. Now I will request Ishan. Ma'am, please. Yes, ma'am, please try to unmute yourself.
Hi, ma'am.
Ishan.
Mrs. Anvika Kolekar has been unmuted, please.
Acha, Anvika Kolekar. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you?
Once again, and thank you,
Yeah,
ma'am.
once again, one more time. I remember this lovely smile.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
वंस अगेन इसका फिर से है ना, स्कूल में वेस्ट ऑफ वेस्ट से वेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट में फर्स्ट प्राइज आया है।
अरे वाह, आपने बताया था कि आपने एक फ्लावर उसमें डाला था और बैंगल्स का बनाया था। अरे वाह, क्या बात है।
उसने ना अभी आपको दिखाने के लिए फिर से, मैं स्कूल में तो किया था, लेकिन आपको दिखाने के लिए फिर से अभी किया है उसने रेडी।
अरे वाह, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत सुंदर है ये। और मैम इसकी विक्ट्री के बारे में हमें जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा, हम अपने डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे इसे पब्लिश करेंगे। बहुत प्यारा काम है, वेरी गुड।
मैम आपकी वजह से उसको है ना फर्स्ट प्राइज मिले, 2 सर्टिफिकेट मिले ड्राइंग
नहीं
में
नहीं
और
नहीं, ये मेरी वजह से नहीं है, प्योरली इनकी मेहनत है, इनका हार्डवर्क है, इनका डिवोशन है। मैं सिर्फ उनकी उस क्रिएटिविटी को जो ऑलरेडी उनके अंदर है उसको एक शेप देने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ। तो दिस इज प्योरली एफर्ट्स ऑफ हर, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी। प्लीज आप इस विक्ट्री के बारे में जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा।
मैम ये सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है आपके लिए, हमारा मीन्स पूरा सम्मान पूरा है मैम।
मैं बहुत
आपने लिया है, इसलिए आपकी वजह से सच में थैंक यू। मुझे शब्द नहीं है बोलने के लिए, लेकिन बहुत बहुत थैंक यू मैम, आपकी वजह से मिस ये कर पाई है।
थैंक यू सो मच मैम, मेरी पूरी
एक्चुअली वो
ब्लेसिंग।
शाय मीन्स बहुत मीन्स ज्यादा बोलती नहीं है, लेकिन करती बहुत है ऐसा।
ज्यादा बोलती नहीं तो पूरी एनर्जी वहीं लगती है। नहीं, आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ हर, और थैंक यू सो मच आपके प्यार के लिए, आपके विश्वास के लिए, आपके सपोर्ट के लिए, है ना। साथ में हमें इन बच्चों को तराशना है और इस विश्व को एक अच्छी जगह बनाना है। ये हर संडे की बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट क्लास के पीछे भी हमारा यही मोटो है कि बच्चे अब वेस्ट मटेरियल में क्रिएटिविटी को देखें, और जितना ज्यादा ये करेंगे उतना हम गार्बेज में से कुछ अच्छा बना पाएंगे और विश्व को बचा पाएंगे कूड़ों के पहाड़ से। तो यही एक कोशिश है मैम, और ये सब कुछ हो पा रहा है आपके जैसे पेरेंट्स की वजह से। आप लोगों का ट्रस्ट जो है वो हमारी सबसे बड़ी ट्रेजर है। थैंक यू सो मच मैम। और अपनी जर्नी
और
के
एक
बारे
बात कहनी थी मैम,
जी।
उसने ना अभी इस वीक में ना उसके फ्रेंड के मम्मी का बर्थडे था, तो आपने बोला था लास्ट वीक में कि बर्थडे गिफ्ट घर में से ही बना के देने का, तो उसने वो प्लांट ये किया था और प्लांट दिया है उसने।
अरे
तो
वाह,
आपने
बहुत अच्छा।
वेस्ट से किया था ना वो ऐसे,
हाँ
ये ऐसा
हाँ
ऐसे
हाँ।
ये करके उसमें प्लांट दिया है।
अरे वाह, मैं
मीन्स गिफ्ट
एक
खरीदने
लाइन।
नहीं गए हम शॉप में,
हाँ,
घर पे बना के उसको दिया।
वेरी गुड, ये
तो
बहुत अच्छी बात है।
अच्छा
क्या मैं
लगा।
एक लाइन बात कर पाऊंगी बेटी से?
चलेगा मैम।
हाँ,
हाँ
कहाँ है वो?
अनम्यूट,
Yes. Yes.
ये लो
सबसे पहले तो बहुत सारी ब्लेसिंग्स आपको क्लास अच्छी लगती है? यस बहुत प्राउड ऑफ
बहुत शर्माती है
कोई नहीं बहुत ईश्वर आप पर आशीर्वाद बरसाए और आप इसी तरह आगे बढ़ते चलो वेरी वेल डन थैंक यू सो मच मैम थैंक यू
थैंक यू मैम थैंक यू
थैंक यू सो मच अब मैं प्रीति गौबा और ईशान इनमें से कोई भी अपने आप को अगर अनम्यूट कर पाए
Hello, ma'am.
हाँ हेलो मैम हेलो
Sorry to interrupt you. I just want to you the number where they can share their feedbacks.
हाँ या they can share their feedback on this number. On this number, you can share your feedback. Yes, I can see Ishan. Lovely artwork of yours with grey background and lovely family. So creatively you completed. Please try to unmute yourself. Ishan, Preeti, Varsha, you all are spotlight.
Yes. Can you hear us, ma'am?
Yes, I can. It's a lovely work. Cute, very cute, Ishan. Enjoy it? Yes, enjoy it. And your efforts are clearly visible, like beautiful color scheme and wonderful work. Excellent. I love and liked it. Ma'am, please do share your experience also.
Sure, ma'am. It's little tedious to handle this clay. When he doesn't get the shape, he gets little irritated. But then after seeing the final product, he's like, okay, I made this.
Ishan, see, good things take time, okay? So never get irritated. Like when I was making this white babies now, so that clay was actually opened last class. So I was not able to give shape. But with patience, we are supposed to find out. So what we did, we were not able to give shape. So we simply made circles and use it somehow. So every step, whether it is challenging or simple, it is giving you some learning, okay? So we are supposed to understand that we will not give up. Whether it is challenging or easy, we will keep doing. And even though mess up happens, suppose many times it will not turn up as you see, but we are not supposed to get disheartened because you always will have recording with you. You can try it one more time, okay? Ma'am, what is your experience for our efforts of this?
Good, ma'am. As I said in the last class also, he feels so excited. He looks for the next class always. And drawing and craft brings peace to him. So he's enjoying it.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. And please do share your experience on WhatsApp as well.
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. And see, if next class onwards, we will try to have conversation with parents face to face. And now we are trying to do it like few parents as we talked just now. So we will try to see that what ways it could be fixed and with few parents, it's not possible to talk with everyone, but with few parents we can. Preeti Gauba, please try to unmute yourself. Anvi, I can see lovely drawing in your hand. It's so beautiful. Anvi and your sister, you both are twins. Oh my God, you both did excellent. Yes.
Mama,
Yes. Yeah. Okay. I can see a trophy also. Yes. Varsha, this is looking great with bright orange color. You use a lid, है ना? And such amazing work. Excellent. How was the class, Varsha?
tell your name. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
My classes really enjoy, but मेरा नेम जिनीशा नहीं, मेरा नेम जिनीशा है, वर्षा नहीं है।
अच्छा, आपके स्क्रीन पे मैं वर्षा पढ़ पा रही हूँ। जिनीशा, आपने बहुत अच्छा बनाया बेटा और ऑरेंज कलर का बैकग्राउंड डाला है और उस पे ये वर्क बहुत अच्छा बना। आपने एंजॉय किया?
यस।
अच्छा लगा बनाना?
हाँ।
अच्छा, इस टेक्निक
क्लास बहुत अच्छा था।
अरे वाह, थैंक यू सो मच। सो इट्स अ प्लेजर टू हैव फीडबैक फ्रॉम अ क्यूट लिटिल चाइल्ड डायरेक्टली। आपकी मॉम है वहाँ?
इसके बारे में बताओ। स्टोरीज भी बहुत अच्छी थी आपकी।
अच्छा चलो ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि बच्चे एंजॉय करते हैं। हेलो मैम।
Hello, ma'am.
हेलो, हाउ आर यू मैम?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, मैम।
He wants to share a lot with you. बताओ मुझे बताओ।
Yes,
मैम
what? हाँ
आपका नंबर ना मेरी मम्मी के नाम से सेव है।
हाँ
अच्छा ओके मैम,
वो
आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस है आरजीओ के साथ?
मैम बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है, बहुत इंजॉय करती है ये सारे आर्ट वर्क, सारी क्लासेस। और स्पेशली क्योंकि इसको और इसके फादर को ज्यादा टाइम नहीं मिलता है, ही हैज अ वेरी बिजी स्केड्यूल, बट जितनी भी आर्ट एंड क्लासेस होती हैं ये दोनों साथ में अटेंड करते हैं। मैं
अच्छा
नहीं करवाती बैठ के, ये और इसके फादर दोनों मिलके करते हैं वो क्लासेस। तो it is really very special for us कि this is how they are building their bond, they are spending time with each other. तो हमारे लिए this is very special.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच मैम। और प्लीज अपनी जर्नी को आप जरूर हमारे साथ शेयर कीजिएगा विथ
Sure,
आर्ट
sure.
वर्क। और जिनिशा ने बहुत अच्छा बनाया, वेरी गुड।
Tanisha, say thank you.
थैंक यू मैम।
Lots of blessings, lots of blessings.
मैम
Okay, okay.
अब
Thank
अगले
you.
महीने फिर अपनी आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट क्लास करवाना।
Okay, okay. हर संडे को होगी, don't worry. Now I will request Preeti ma'am, Arya and Ashrita. Ashrita Satapathy. Will you please be able to unmute yourself? I can see Preeti. I definitely Preeti is not your name, but the artwork is so beautiful, so cute and amazing. Ma'am, please try to unmute yourself, your spotlight. I think you have that access. Not able to? I think some technical issue we are facing. I will request Ashrita. But artwork is excellent. Very good, my dear. Wonderful work. Lovely. Very good. Please do share it on WhatsApp. I will request Ashrita. Ma'am, please unmute yourself. It's a lovely work. And the color scheme like
Good
pink for
afternoon, ma'am.
mom. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Doing good. Thank you. Thank you so much. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am, this is a beautiful work and I like each and every part of it. Lovely.
Yes, ma'am. It's very beautiful, and I would like to thank you that she's doing such a nice things. Uh, Not only this, many things she does actually. With all the ideas
Actually,
you give.
once they get idea now, they start observing creativity in more better ways than we can. They have
Exactly,
better.
ma'am. Yeah, and I have noticed that whatever you teach, so she always tries to make something different, also add things from herself. So it's all because of you. Every week she's doing all these things, even the art and everything. So because of that, she gets many more ideas. So it's really beautiful.
No, it's really wonderful. And even she has written the names also. Who is that particular character is. बहुत अच्छा बना. Very nice. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your feedback. Please do share about your experience on the number. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank
I will switch on to Dhriti. Dhriti Bhayal. Please unmute yourself. Hello, ma'am.
Hello,
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Dhriti, how are you?
Good मैम।
Riva, and this is so beautiful. And the color which you use for background, it is really making it a masterpiece. I love it. Do the pasting of paper, okay, so that it will get stuck on the surface. And ma'am, please do share your experience.
Definitely. So this art class, she's also been a part of your pre-batch. I think it is the pre-junior
Yeah.
batch. Yeah,
Acha.
she's doing it every week.
She want to say something? Yes, you can say, Dhriti.
Paper fell, that's why it came out।
Okay, कोई बात नहीं. You can reassemble. The shape you will not miss now. They are dry now. Now reassemble. See, with every mess up, with every mistake, we are learning something new. है ना? So we take it as challenge and keep doing it. Okay? Now you can reassemble all the things and it will be on the perfect place. Ma'am, was she able to do it joyfully as it was a big span of time?
She was sitting actually at one point of time, and she's been doing it. It's just that her hands are very tiny, that the finish is not as great, but yeah, she's trying her best. But she loves your drawing classes. She doesn't miss. She comes back running, and then she joins your weekly classes for the drawing and everything. She loves them.
Okay. So are you able to see the shift of improvement in our regular classes she's taking?
Yes. So her coloring. So you are. She listens to you each and everything, and also your stories. So she comes and tells me all your stories that you have said, the moral of the story, how to do, what to do, and she's also interested so much in your stories as well.
Wow, that's really amazing. And she's
And
able
she
to,
listens only to you. She has stopped using all the oil pastels because you have said only to use wax crayons. She's using only wax crayons.
Not wax.
Sorry,
plastic crayons. Yes.
plastic crayons, and uses only this brush pens now.
Yeah, great, great. Dhriti, I'm really proud of you. And the way your artwork turn up and with your small, small hands, the way you did, na, it's really praiseworthy. Okay, now you can reassemble all the things again. Okay, and the work is really beautiful. Okay, and I'm more than happy to know that so joyfully you're attending class. This is happening why, because you are amazing artist. You have a artist in you. That's why joyfully you are able to sit for long and you're able to do such amazing masterpieces. Lots of blessings. Thank you so much, ma'am. Please do share your experience
Thank you
on
so much.
WhatsApp. Thank you so much. Thank you. And hopefully the time is too long. Savar, Manaya, after that we will wind up. So Samar and Manaya, will you please try to unmute yourself? Any of you? Savar, this is so beautiful work. And the colors you selected and the way you like one child is sitting on the topmost and a cute tiny children, like it's looking so amazing. Savar and Manaya Chakarka Chakarwar. Yes, please unmute yourself. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
This is a lovely work. Ma'am, please do share your experience.
मैम उसने बहुत अच्छा बनाया है. ये तो उसका मास्टरपीस ही है. लास्ट टाइम जो वर्कशॉप में उसने बनाया था प्लांटर, उसने उसके मैम को गिफ्ट किया. मैम को भी बहुत अच्छा लगा.
चलो, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि बच्चे यानी इतने सिंसियरली इंस्ट्रक्शन सुनते हैं और उसे इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं और यही एक शुरुआत है चेंज की, है ना. इसी तरह से एक से दो, दो से 10 और ये फिर हम पूरी दुनिया बदल देंगे. आपको पता है मैम, ये फोरकास्टिंग होती रहती है कि कभी ये कहा कचरे के ढेर नहीं खत्म होंगे, एक ग्लोबल वार्मिंग आएगी, ये होगा वो होगा. पर मेरा विश्वास है कि हमारे बच्चे ये होने नहीं देंगे क्योंकि वो इतने ध्यान से सुनते. बस हमें मेंटली उनको प्रिपेयर करना है. इनके जितनी
हाँ मैम.
ताकत किसी में नहीं है. और देखिए, अभी एक पेरेंट ने भी मुझे बताया कि गिफ्ट में हमने प्लांटर ही दिया बनाकर. इन्होंने भी
हाँ
अपनी
मैम,
टीचर को
और
दिया.
इसके मैम को बहुत अच्छा लगा. एक्चुअली मैम ने उनको इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए थे कि आप जो भी मुझे गिफ्ट करोगे वो हैंडमेड ही होगा और आप खुद बनाओगे, बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट. तो उसने
अच्छा,
प्लांटर बना के दिया. मैम को बहुत अच्छा लगा.
वाह, बहुत अच्छी बात है. और मानया, आपको कैसी लगी क्लास? आप थोड़ा सा कुछ बताएंगे?
Ma'am, very nice.
अच्छा, आप एंजॉय करते हो क्लास को?
Yes.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छा काम किया है बेटा. प्लीज डू शेयर योर आर्ट वर्क. अब सवर, yes, this paper I have already removed, है ना. The paper, this paper about this you were telling now, this is already removed. Savar,
Hello, ma'am.
hello ma'am, how are you?
Fine, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, Sagar is a special child.
Acha, but he did so beautifully, like I was able to see the work.
We have joined like it's been 1 week, and he's like, "Mama, art class. Mama, art class. When is the art class?" So he wants like we have taken 3 days. So he's like, I have to do it every day. So he's
Ach-
liking it a lot.
Very good. That's amazing. And if he's able to absorb and is will start spending more time, because we have experience of many of children of this kind. And what I experience, what is my experience with this kind of children is they are amazing in field of creativity. This is my experience, and many students of this kind, they were with us and they did amazing work. They learn a lot, and even as career option also afterwards we can think about. So wonderful work. And
This was his yesterday's work.
yes, it's lovely. You shared also, no, because one more artwork of this kind of child and her sister, both they were. Savar, this is beautiful work. Savar, show your thumbs up.
Thank you, ma'am.
You did amazing, my dear. Even today's craft is so amazing. Really
Thank you,
proud of
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.
Ma'am, if you
Ma'am.
feel like to make him more engaged, है ना? Like our classes happen thrice a week, so you can take help of our Arjio shop. There my pre-recorded sessions are available. है ना? My pre-recorded classes. So whenever you feel that you want to occupy him, you can pick up classes from Arjio shop.
Okay, okay. Sure,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you so much, ma'am.
Please,
And ma'am,
ma'am.
please do share your experience also.
Ma'am, it's been very good. Like, I want to take another, for we have taken TTS. I want to take for MWF also.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now I will request Ishita.
I love
Ishita.
you.
Yes.
Before joining your classes, I also love drawing, but after joining, I am doing well on drawing now.
Wow, and getting feedback from you is really special, and artwork is amazing. Ishita.
Hi,
Hello,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Hi,
Hello,
ma'am.
ma'am. How
She
are you?
always love to join your classes, and she always draws very well, ma'am.
Acha, okay,
After
that's amazing.
joining in your classes, only she learned a lot. Before
Thank-
that, she always draws something, but not nicely. After joining in your classes,
Oh
she
my
learned
God,
very
this
well.
coffee painting is looking great. You
She
shared it on WhatsApp also, na? I shared my feedback, I remember.
Okay,
Yes,
sure,
ma'am.
ma'am. Some
Yeah, yeah.
pictures she drawn very well, and she gave it to her teacher. She also liked it. She participated in competitions in the schools and got prizes also, ma'am.
Wow. Ma'am, please do share about Victory so that we can share about her victory on different platforms. It will motivate
Okay,
other
ma'am.
children also.
Okay, sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Please do share about. Arey
Last
bhai,
week
it is
she
a
did this,
lovely
ma'am.
planter. You can even gift it. Grow a plant and you can gift it to someone. है ना? Beautiful. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
And
Thank you.
thank you. And your brother is also okay.
Your daily classes, ma'am.
Yes, I remember this. I covered up. Yes, wonderful.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Okay.
And your brother is
so
arranging for all the things.
You also do draw, ma'am. Here.
Yeah. This is artist family, I will have to say.
My brother
Lovely.
draw.
Very good. Very good. It is so beautiful. Your brother made it?
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya,
Arey
ma'am.
wah. Arey wah.
He also like to draw, but he is just first standard. That's why I didn't join him in the class.
Nee, but like this kind of craft classes, and if he feel like to sit with Adya, sorry,
Yes.
Ishita, he can. And because he is doing great, this craft which he prepared is really wonderful.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
but he will
Surely.
stay for some time only, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Please do share your
Thank you
experience.
so much for your
Thank you.
classes, ma'am.
Thank you so much,
Without you,
ma'am.
we can't attend her in painting classes. In our village, there is no availability of such classes, ma'am. Through
Acha.
these online classes, we are easy to facilitate her in paintings.
Okay, it's our pleasure that we are getting connected with people, so creative people far and wide. Thank you. Thank
I
you so much.
also drawn in many books, ma'am. I am having many books after you joined in class, ma'am.
Wow, that's amazing. You can share your extra artworks also. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
ma'am. Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Bye. Now, the last one is Adya Sharma. Then we will wind up our session. Adya? Yes. Hello, ma'am. Please try to unmute yourself.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, ma'am. And you?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you so much, ma'am. Please do share your experience.
मैम अदे बहुत इंजॉय करती है, उसे क्राफ्ट का बहुत शौक है और बना लिया है उसने भी अभी। उसके मैंने मतलब
लेकिन ये
केला भी नहीं
बहुत
दिया
क्यूट
था।
बनाया है और बहुत नीट बनाया है। यानी इस पूरी ड्राइंग में अगर ये कुछ नहीं करती हैं और सिर्फ नीचे होम लिख देंगे तो भी ये कंप्लीट है।
हाँ,
बहुत प्यारा
एक्चुअली
है।
मैंने क्ले नहीं ला के दिया इस बार उसे। पिछली बार क्ले दिया था तो थोड़ा ये अपना खेल खिलवाड़ में भी थोड़ा वेस्ट कर दी, तो मैंने कहा अभी तुम्हें क्ले नहीं ला के दूंगी। तो अलग अलग कलर से मतलब कि इसने जोड़ जोड़ के ब्लैक बनाया, ब्राउन बनाया
अच्छा।
और सब बना बना के खुद ही मिक्स करके कलर उसने बनाया है।
लेकिन ये बहुत सुंदर वर्क है। आद्या, आप कहाँ छुप गए? आपने बचे हुए कलर से इतना अच्छा मास्टरपीस बनाया है और जो बेस आपने लिया है शायद उसमें गोल्डन कलर है ना? वो जो कलर के पीछे आपने बॉक्स लिया है वो गोल्डन कलर का है शायद, है ना?
हाँ
मैम।
यस, वो उस गोल्डन कलर की वजह से इतना लुक उसमें ऐड हो गया है। बहुत अच्छा काम। आप इंजॉय करते हो आद्या?
यस मैम।
ऐसा तो नहीं लगता बीच में कि भाग जाएं, बाद में कर लेंगे? नहीं। ठीक है, बहुत अच्छी बात है बेटा, और आपकी इस मेहनत की वजह से आप इतने अच्छे आर्ट क्राफ्ट और आर्ट क्रिएट कर पाते हो। मैम, आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस है आरजीओ के साथ?
मैम, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। बहुत ही मतलब कि रैंडम मैंने मतलब कि ट्राई किया था और इतना अच्छा मतलब कि रिस्पांस मिलेगा मुझे पता नहीं था। बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा है। मतलब आपकी स्टोरीज भी ये रात में रोज सुनती है।
बहुत अच्छी बात है मैम। ये कोशिश है ही इसलिए कि ये बच्चे हैं ना, यही हमारा फ्यूचर है। और
यस मैम।
इस वक्त पे हमने जितना इनको एक अच्छी डाइट के साथ, अच्छे संस्कारों के साथ सींच लिया, अब ये बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट का सेशन करने के पीछे भी हमारा मकसद यही है कि हमारे बच्चे हर चीज में क्रिएटिविटी देखें। और क्योंकि अब फैशन हो गया है ना, मार्केट जाओ सब चीज अवेलेबल है।
हाँ
पुराने
हाँ
टाइम पे हमारी दादियां वगैरह, एक कपड़ा भी होता था, कितना हम मैक्सिमम यूज करते थे। आज के
हाँ,
दौर, और इस आदत की वजह से हम क्या क्रिएट कर रहे हैं? हम कचरे के ढेर क्रिएट कर रहे हैं।
सही
लेकिन अगर
बात है।
हमने इस बच्चों को, अगर हमने इस वक्त पे समझा दिया कि बच्चों तुम्हारी क्या जिम्मेदारी और किस तरह से, उन्हें सोल्यूशन भी सिखाना पड़ेगा। तो हम ये कोशिश, ये बेड टाइम स्टोरीज, ये बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट, ये बस एक कोशिश है हमारे बच्चों को उस फ्यूचर के लिए रेडी करने की, जहां ये हमारी अर्थ की व्यवस्थाओं को सुचारू संभालें और एक बहुत अच्छा माहौल इन्हें रहने के लिए मिले। तो ये सब कुछ हो पा रहा है मैम आप जैसे पेरेंट्स की वजह से। इतने सारे पेरेंट्स का प्यार, इतना सपोर्ट और इनका ट्रस्ट मेरे साथ है, इसीलिए मैं ये सब कुछ कर पा रही हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
मैम, आप मतलब कि बहुत अच्छा क्लास स्टार्ट किए हैं और ऑल द बेस्ट है इसके लिए आपको कि आप हमेशा ऐसे करते रहिएगा। और मैं चाहूंगी कि ये आपकी जो कोशिश है ये बहुत सफल हो।
थैंक यू
और
सो
सच
मच
में
मैम।
बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत
थैंक
अच्छा है मैम, सच में।
थैंक यू सो मच मैम फॉर योर ब्लेसिंग्स। और शायद इन ब्लेसिंग्स की वजह से जो कर पा रहे हैं वो हो पा रहा है। थैंक यू सो मच मैम। आप अपना अपना एक्सपीरियंस एक मैसेज के थ्रू जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा। और
या
okay, so thank you so much, all moms, all lovely students. With this, we will wind up, है ना? मैं सवर्णा का आर्टवर्क देख पा रही हूँ, शबरदा प्रधान, कितना सुंदर वर्क इन्होंने किया है, वेलकम लिखा है इन्होंने, और बड़े प्यारे कलर्स सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं। तो बच्चों ने बहुत सुंदर काम किया है। सवर्णा प्रधान और निवृत्ति, आपका वर्क दिखाओ। तो बहुत सुंदर काम किया है। आयांश, करनानी, एक्सीलेंट वर्क। आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा बनाया है बच्चों। और इसी के साथ अब क्लास को वाइंड अप करते हैं। वजह यह है कि बहुत लंबा टाइम हो गया बच्चों के लिए। तो चलो, टेक केयर, बाय बाय, लॉट्स ऑफ ब्लेसिंग्स।